How far in advance should you renew your E-2 visa? Hello, my name is Ian Scott and I'm an immigration attorney in New York and one that happens to be in the United States on an E-2 visa. Well, the E-2 visas are issued anywhere from 3 months to 5 years, but let's just take an example where someone gets an E-2 visa and it has been issued for a 5-year period. The question comes up of when should they renew? Should they renew 6 months in advance, a year in advance? Really, I think a good time to renew is probably 6 months in advance because sometimes there are delays at consulate, so you do want to maybe make sure that you're renewing a bit in advance so that you're not going to be in a position where you actually don't have a visa. The fact is that your time in the United States is governed by your I-94, so even if your visa expires and you have a valid I-94, you can continue to live and work in the United States. However, when you leave and you want to re-enter, you would have to have a valid visa. So arranging things beforehand, I think, is useful to avoid the situation of having to travel and not being able to immediately enter the United States. Thank you.